What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science. It involves creating intelligent agents. These agents are computer systems. They can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include things like learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI systems are designed to analyze information. They can also learn from experiences. This allows them to adapt to new situations. The goal of AI is to create machines that can think and act like humans. This doesn't mean AI aims to replace humans. Instead, AI serves as a powerful tool. It can enhance our capabilities and improve various aspects of our lives. How AI works: a simplified view. At its core, AI relies on algorithms. Algorithms are sets of rules or instructions. They guide computers to process data and make decisions. These algorithms enable AI systems to learn from patterns in data. They can then make predictions or take actions based on that learning. Imagine you're teaching an AI to identify pictures of cats. You would show it thousands of cat pictures. The AI would analyze the features of these images. It would learn to recognize patterns that define a cat. Later, when you show it a new picture, it can use this learned knowledge to determine if it's a cat. This learning process is called machine learning. It is a fundamental concept in AI. It allows machines to improve their performance over time. They get better with more data and experience. Different types of AI: narrow versus general. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed for specific tasks. Examples include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. They excel in their designated functions. However, they lack the broad cognitive abilities of humans. General AI, also known as strong AI, remains largely theoretical. General AI aims to create machines with human-like intelligence. These machines could perform any intellectual task that a human can. While general AI is still a long way off, researchers are making strides in its development. The distinction between narrow and general AI is crucial. It helps manage expectations about what AI can currently achieve. While we have made significant progress in narrow AI, achieving general AI remains a complex challenge. AI is already pervasive in our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. When you shop online and receive personalized product recommendations, that's AI at work. AI powers these recommendation systems. They analyze your browsing history and past purchases. They predict what you might be interested in buying. Another example is virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These voice-powered assistants use natural language processing. This AI technology enables them to understand and respond to your voice commands. They can set reminders, play music, make calls, and answer your questions. These are just a few examples of how AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. From personalized recommendations to voice assistants, AI is enhancing our experiences and simplifying our lives. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries, including healthcare and education. In healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and more accurately. AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs. They can detect subtle patterns that might be missed by the human eye. In education, AI can personalize the learning experience for students. AI-powered tutoring systems can adapt to each student's pace and learning style. They provide individualized support and feedback. This can help students learn more effectively and at their own pace. These are just glimpses into the transformative potential of AI. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications in the future. Despite its potential, AI is often surrounded by misconceptions and fears. One common misconception is that AI will take over the world and enslave humanity. This fear is fueled by science fiction movies and books. However, it's important to remember that AI is a tool created and controlled by humans. Another misconception is that AI will replace all jobs. While it's true that AI will automate some tasks currently performed by humans, it will also create new job opportunities. The key is to adapt to these changes and acquire the skills needed in an AI-driven world. By separating AI fact from fiction, we can approach this technology with a balanced perspective. It's essential to embrace the potential benefits of AI while being mindful of its limitations and ethical implications. If you found this video helpful, Please like and subscribe for more content on AI and technology.